Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rekha and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So, we all want to learn good English. Some of us already know very good English, but we hesitate when we speak. Why? Because we know the word but we don't know the exact pronunciation of the word, right? So in this video we are going to learn pronunciation of few important words. Those are contracted form of few words. So first we will learn what are contracted forms, and then we will learn the pronunciation of contracted forms and their use. So let's start.
Contracted words. Contracted words, also known as contraction, are short words made by putting two words together. Letters are omitted in the contraction and replaced by an apostrophe. The apostrophe shows where the last letter would be if the words were written in full. Common examples of contracted forms of words. Did not is contracted to didn't. For instance, Tarun did not enjoy his lunch becomes Tarun didn't enjoy his lunch. Did not becomes didn't. So this is contracted form of did not. Like this, there are so many words which have their contracted forms. So let's learn together. I am becomes I'm. He is becomes his. She is becomes she's. It is becomes its. That is becomes that's. What is becomes what's. Let's see these words in examples. I'm good. He's nice boy. She's going home. It's raining. That's my car. What's in this book? Now let's see some more words with their contracted forms. You are becomes your. They are becomes their. We are becomes we're. I have becomes I've. We have becomes we've. You have becomes you've. Let's see these words in sentences. You're a good person. They're my friends. We're dancing. I've seen elephant. We've completed our task. You've grown up. Let's learn some more words. I will becomes I'll. You will becomes you'll. We will becomes we'll. They will becomes they'll. He will becomes he'll. She will becomes she'll. It will becomes it'll. That will becomes that'll. Let's see these words in sentences. I'll go to school. You'll see him there. We'll meet tomorrow. They'll come by car. He'll eat pizza. She'll go to Mumbai. It'll help you. That'll be better. Let's learn some more words. Would not becomes wouldn't. Could not becomes couldn't. Should not becomes shouldn't. Cannot becomes can't. Will not becomes won't. Shall not becomes shan't. Is not becomes isn't. Are not becomes aren't. Was not becomes wasn't. Were not becomes weren't. Did not becomes didn't. Does not becomes doesn't. Now, let's see the examples by sentences. He isn't my brother. She wasn't ill. They didn't come to party. It doesn't suit you. I couldn't catch ball. You shouldn't lie. So all these are contracted forms of words. I hope now you can read them. So if you like this video, then please share with your friends, like and comment. And subscribe my channel for more grammar videos. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep growing.